What's up, YouTube world? Back with a treat for you guys today. Escalade V, which I couldn't wait to get my hands on one of these. It's so fast, so loud. Just an incredible vehicle. I'm having a blast driving it. 700 horsepower. It sounds like a race car. It drives like a race car. And you can put your entire family in it. So pretty soon I'm going to start it up, let you hear the exhaust. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's start her up. Beautiful interior. Okay, now we're going to throw it in sport mode, obviously. Opens it right up. That's just at idle. So now we're going to take it for a ride.
Let's say I trade you for it, then I don't feel like paying for gas.
Sorry, this guy keeps talking to me while I'm trying to make a video. And he's driving a Tesla. How boring is that? I mean, come on. Can your Tesla do this? Exactly. All right. By the way, we're in Clearwater, Florida. And if you want one of these, you can contact me at Dimmitt Land Rover, Jaguar, and Cadillac in Clearwater, Florida. And my name's Mike. So yeah, let's take this for a quick rip. Perfect. Well, of course I had to get stuck behind the minivan, right? But you can hear it, guys. It's pretty crazy. Oh my goodness. You know, whenever you're driving something with 700 horsepower or more, it seems like there's always somebody in your way. Is that just me, or is that everybody? Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying this Escalade, even though I'm a Range Rover guy. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video.